New York State's new gun regulations are facing more tough opposition tonight.
Another lawsuit has been filed, and this one comes from two local gun owners and naming the head of state police and Erie County's DA, John Flynn, as defendants.
Channel 2's Nate Benson joins us now with details on how this new lawsuit claims the law violates the Second Amendment. Nate?
Yes, Scott and Mary Ellis, yet another lawsuit filed in federal court. This one focused on the new gun law that took effect in New York on September 1st. That was the law banning the carrying of a concealed handgun into a newly expanded list of designated sensitive locations. According to the lawsuit filed on Tuesday, the state's expansion of sensitive and restricted locations constitutes a de facto ban on the carriage of loaded operable handguns for self-defense.
These sensitive locations will include schools, colleges, daycares, libraries, restaurants that serve alcohol, other places, parks, places people visit, work.
The plaintiffs involve two Western New York natives, John Boron and Brett Christian, along with the Firearm Policy Coalition and the Second Amendment Foundation. The New York State Police Superintendent, as well as Erie County District Attorney John Flynn, are named as defendants. It alleges that Senate Bill 51001 essentially creates a no concealed gun default in a variety of public and private spaces.
They did that in response to the Supreme Court's Braun decision from June of this year. And the Braun decision stated that sensitive uses would be upheld, such as government buildings, courthouses, and schools.
Legal analyst Barry Covert says that given the makeup of the federal courts, New York may have a difficult time defending the new law.
They have to justify it historically and show that there's been a historical recognition of all these areas as sensitive uses. And I'm not familiar with cases that have upheld that type of an expansive definition of restricted use areas.
The lawsuit claims that the new designated sensitive locations go far beyond any constitutionally relevant historical justification and goes on to say it makes a mockery of the recent Supreme Court decision. Covert says this is one of many lawsuits the state will likely be facing as it continues to challenge federal gun laws.
Millions and millions of dollars to defend a statute that clearly goes way beyond what the United States Supreme Court recently indicated would be honored as a restrictive statute.
I reached out to the Second Amendment Foundation as well as the attorney for the other plaintiffs in this federal lawsuit. I did not get a response. In the studio, Nate Benson, Channel 2 News.